Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a leather chair in Blender. So let's get started. So first I'll just enable my screencast keys. You don't have to do this. So I'll just enable this, so whatever keys I press should be visible to you, like keyboard keys should be visible to you on the bottom left hand side. So by default we have a cube. If you don't have a cube, you can just click on add mesh cube. So I already have a cube by default. So all I need to do first is go to edit mode, then go to face selection, and here we have to select top and front face, and we have to delete those faces by pressing X faces. Then just press A to select all faces, then right click, subdivide. We'll have to select the two faces of the upper front, so this one as well as this one. Then we just have to do G, Z or Z to move it down. Then go to edge selection, and inside edge selection we'll have to select the bottom edges, so this one as well as this one. Make sure you select both of them by pressing shift and then GZ to move it up just a little, so something like this is okay. Then select the top edges, so this one, and again pressing shift you will have to select the second one as well, and then just do GY to so something like this, move it back a little. Then add a subdivision surface, so I'll just go to add modifiers, subdivision surface, then change the levels to 2. Then go to object mode, then add a solidify, change thickness to 0.2, then apply both modifiers. Okay, so we have something like this. Then just go to edit mode, and we need to add one loop cut, so I'll just select loop cut over here, and we'll have to add it like this. Just let me zoom in a little, so something like this. Then just press option S or alt S, whatever you are, like I'm on Mac OS, so I will press option S, and I'll just move it little bit up, so I've already moved it. Then we need to select the alternate edges of our chair. So what I can do is I'll just get rid of our loop cut. Make sure you're in edge mode, and we'll just first select this one, this particular part. Then I'll select this one. Then yeah, these two are fine. Then I'll just select this bottom one. Again alternates, so I'll select this one. Then I'll select this one, and I'll also select this one. Then command B or control B to bevel it. Then change the bevel segments to 3. Okay, then add a subdivision surface, so again I'll go to add modifiers, subdivision surface, and we change the first option to 2. Then go to object mode, apply shade smooth, right click shade smooth. Then we need to go to sculpt mode, then select face sets, and from here we have to select face sets from edit mode selection. Okay, then we need to select face sets again. Then we have to click on shrink face set, and then just click on this. Okay, so something like this. Okay, then again click on face set, shrink face set, again click on this. Okay, I think one time is fine. I guess I'll just click on it once. So yeah, this looks okay to me. Okay, then it just okay, face set, just click on again shrink facet, and what you'll have to do is you have to okay, sorry, we have already done that, so we don't need to do it. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll just click on facet, shrink facet. Okay, so something like this is fine. Then we need to search for cloth filter. Then choose the filter type to inflate. Then enable use facet option. So I'll just so this use facet option. Then we have to select any facet from right hand side and drag it to the left hand side. So I'll just select this one. Okay, this has gone completely haywire. I'll just do Command Z, just do a little bit. Yeah, okay, no, this is too much. I'll just move it back one more time. Yeah, this is fine with me. You can change it to however you feel like is correct for you. Now again select face below the facet. Okay, so before that, okay, so here we'll just move it from this side to this side. Okay, this is too much. Okay, so this is okay, so you'll have to move it from left to right. Then we need to click on mesh filter, then select filter type as smooth, drag mouse to right side and smooth it out. So you can just drag your mouse. Okay, I think this is too much. So yeah, something like this looks okay to me. Then again go to object mode, add mesh cylinder and scale it down, S to scale it down. Okay, then we just need to move it bottom, so GZ, move it at the bottom. So I'll just make sure it is connected to our chair. Then go to edit mode, we'll have to select the bottom face. Again go to face mode, select the bottom face and press I to insert. Okay, it is not working for me. Let me try it one more time. Maybe you have to press it I twice. So yeah, just have a check on that. Then E to extrude, so I'll just press E and I'll extrude a little bit, so something like this looks okay to me. Then do ES to do something like this. Again I'll just move it like this. Then again E to extrude, yeah, something like this. Then again E to extrude, but just a little bit. Then H to scale, then again E to extrude, then go to object mode and shade auto smooth. Go to object mode, shade auto smooth, then add a cube, scale it down, add mesh cube. Okay, then just scale it down. I'll just scale it down even further, yeah, something like this. And move it to the bottom of the cylinder. So I'll just press this one, I'll just move it, and here you will have to move it little bit on the right hand side. So yeah, something like this looks okay. Yeah, then we have to go to edit mode. We have to select the right face of the cube and then just do GX to move it like this, then do GZ to move it at the bottom. Then A to select everything, command B to bevel, then set segments to 3. Okay, so segments are 3. Then add a cylinder in edit mode again. So just make sure you are already in edit mode. Add cylinder, then scale it down. So I'll just scale it down again. Okay, and again I'll just move it over here. I'll just move it like this, so somewhere around here. Let me just do like this. Okay, then again we need to add one cylinder. So add again, make sure you are already in edit mode only. Then rotate it using RY90. Then add to loop cuts. So I'll just take a loop cut, I'll add it, I'll change the number of cuts to 2, and then just do SY to move it. Sorry, not like this, SX, sorry, not SY, SX. So they are moved over like this. Okay, then again add a loop cut, change the number of cuts to 2, again do SX. Okay, then I'll just select this particular part, I'll go to face mode, and here I'll just select all these faces. Now I'm not able to select these faces, all these faces in one go, so I'll just hide this particular cube or chair for now. And I know many of you might have a better way to do this. I don't know how to select I tried double clicking on it, but it is doing the wrong selection. So you just have to select all these faces. So I'll just quickly select all these faces. Okay, so I have selected all faces. Then we just have to do face, extrude faces along normals and move it in. So yeah, something like this. Again I'll bring back my chair. Then we have to select the two edge loops of our cube. If you want to hide your chair, that's fine as well. We have to select the two edge loops of our cylinder, and once we select the two edge loops, we just have to command B to bevel it, set number of segments to 4, and then L to select everything, then scale it down. Okay, so here it is. So again I'll just scale it down even further, and then I'll just take this and I'll move it at the bottom, so kind of like a wheelchair. Yeah, just move it at the approximate position. Then switch to object mode, then just do shade auto smooth, right click shade auto smooth, then command A to select everything, or control A, and then just click on rotation and scale. Then we have to click on active tool, so it's the first tool which you see over here. Then here you will have to click on affect only origins, then click on the minus y axis, and move it to the origin of the chair. So just move it like this, so approximately to the origin of our chair, okay, or the whatever is the handle of the chair, whatever you guys call it. Then we have to disable the origins, then shift S for cursor to select it, but make sure this bottom thing is selected, the wheelchair part. Then we need to add an array modifier. So I'll just go over here, add a modifier, uncheck this relative offset and check this object offset, change the count to 5, and here we just add empty plane axis, and again select the leg of our chair, and inside object just select our empty. Then you can just do RZ to rotate it, and here you can see we are able to see I think these two are quite close. RZ, I think, yeah, I don't know why these two are okay. Yeah, so I think so. Something like this looks okay. Yeah, now you can just add some colors to this. So I'll just select this particular part. I'll go to material, I'll add a brown color. Okay, if you want to see it, go to viewport shading, then select this particular part, click on new, and here you can just select a black color, and for this as well I will just select a black color. So yeah, that's it. Now I think the handle has become quite big, but yeah, it's fine. If you I'm not sure if you can we scale this even further. Yeah, I think we can scale it. So what we can do is we will just move this a little bit up. Yeah, I think now it looks better. So yeah, now you can export it using file, export, GLTF, go to desktop, go to data, go to mesh, click on apply modifiers, and I'll just export this. Then if you want to save it, you can just go to this particular website and drag and drop your GLTF, and here you can see this is our leather chair. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.